Namaste everyone. Harda Swagatam to the practice session. Hope I am audible. We will start with Guru Vandanam and 5 Dhyana Shlokas, and then we will directly move on to the practice session. So let us start with Guru Vandanam. गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो. ध्यानम्. सिन्दूरारुणविग्रहान् त्रिनयनां माणिक्यमौलिस्फुरत् तारानायकशेखरां स्मितमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहां पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकं रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीं सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणान् ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम्. अरुणां करुणातरङ्गिताक्षीं धृतपाशाङ्कुशपुष्पबाणचापाम् अणिमादिभिरावृतां मयूखैः अहमित्येव विभावये भवानी. ध्यायेत् पद्मासनस्थां विकसितवदनां पद्मपत्रायताक्षीं हेमाभां पीतवस्त्रां करकलितलसद्धेम पद्मां वराङ्गीं सर्वालङ्कारयुक्तां सततमभयदां भक्तनम्रां भवानीं श्रीविद्यां शान्तमूर्तिं सकलसुरनुतां सर्वसम्पत्प्रदात्री सकुङ्कुमविलेपनामलिकचुम्बिकस्तूरिकां समन्दहसिते क्षणां सशरचापपाशाङ्कुशाम् अशेषजनमोहिनीमरुणमाल्य भूषाम्बरां जपाकुसुमभासुरां जपविधौ स्मरेदम्बिकाम्. श्रीमात्रे नमः. So what we will do is, those of you who want to practice, please put a message on the chat window. So you can raise your hands or you can put a message on the chat window. I'll call out your names and you can chant. This is one thing we can do. Second is, if you have any specific verse which needs to be like revised, in the sense you want me to chant again the specific verse also, please put the number so that I will accordingly chant it, which can help the practice. Or any other doubts also, please feel free to put it. So if you have a doubt, please type out the name, type out the message so that I can address the query so that it is beneficial for everyone. Those who want to chant, please raise your hand or please put a message in the chat box. So because we haven't chanted the first verse, I'll call out somebody to chant the first verse. Let me, Jyoti Anagandula Bhagini, I have unmuted you. You can chant the verse 1.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste.
Amen. Om श्रीमाता श्रीमहाराज्ञी श्रीमत्सिंहासनेश्वरी चिदग्निकुण्डसम्भूता देवकार्यसमुद्यता।
Uttamam. Very small observation. So, for example, when you are chanting Shri Maharagni, so the Dirgha should be same as the Dirgha in the other places. Shri Mata, Shri Maharagni, that's all. Shri Maharagni is not there. So, make it
Okay.
the same length wherever you use the Dirgha Aksharas. Otherwise, it's good.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದः भगिनी.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
पुष्पा रिन्वा.
जी, मुझे 16 से लेके 20 तक में थोड़ा डाउट हो रहा है। बोलने में
Okay.
बोलने में नहीं।
Uh,
ये अरुणा,
16 to 20, is it?
हाँ जी,
Okay.
मैं बोलती हूँ, आप मुझे या
Sure.
आप
You
चाहिए।
can go ahead. Yes.
अरुणारुण कौसुंभ वस्त्र भास्वत कटी तटी रत्न किंकिणिका रम्य रशना दाम भूषिता, ऐसे ही बोलते हैं ना?
So I will tell in English because I'm not very conversant with Hindi. Bhagini, see, you should not take a pause in between. What I can do is I will chant once, you repeat after me. Is that okay? आप repeat कीजिए ना.
ओके ओके
हाँ.
ओके।
अरुणारुण कौसुम्भ
अरुणारुण कौसुंभ
कौसुम्भ
कौसुंभ
वस्त्रभास्वत्कटीतटी
वस्त्र भासवत कटी तटी
रत्
वस्त्र अस्वत कटी तटी
वस्त्रभास्वत्कटीतटी
भास
अरुणारुणकौसुम्भवस्त्रभास्वत्कटीतटी
अरुणारुण कौसुंभ वस्त्र भासवत कटी तटी
रत्नकिङ्किणिकारम्य
रत्न किणकिणिका रम्या
रशनादामभूषिता.
रशना दाम भूषिता।
So generally now because I'm teaching, I'm taking a pause after Ratna Nikaramya and then again I'm chanting Rashana Dama Bhushita. But whenever we are chanting these names, we have to chant it without taking a break in between. Okay. So I'll move to the next one now. Kamesha Jnata Saubhagya
कामेश ज्ञात सौभाग्य
Mardavoruddvayanvita
मार्दवो वोरु द्वान्विता
माणिक्यमुकुटाकारजानुद्वयविराजिता
माणिक्य मुकुटाकार जानुद्वन्विता
जानुद्वयविराजिता
जा जानुद्वय विराजिता
द्वयविराजिता
द्वय विराजिता
इन्द्रगोपपरिक्षिप्त
इंद्र गोप परिक्षिप्त
परिक्षिप्त.
परिक्षिप्त
So there is a ksha, k and ksha. Parikshipta.
परिक्षिप्त
Correct. स्मरतूणाभजङ्घिका
स्मरतोणा भजंगिका
गूढगुल्फा
गुड़गुल्फा
गुल्फा
गुड़गुल्फा
ऊर्मपृष्ठ
कूर्म पुष्ट
पृष्ठ
पृष्ठ पृष्ठ
जयिष्णु
जय
जयिष्णु
जय
प्रपदान्विता
प्रपदान्विता
नखदीधिति
नखदीधिति
सञ्छन्न
संच्छिन्न
नमज्जनतमो गुणा
नमज्जन तमो गुणा
नमज्जन
नमज्जन
तमो
तमो
गुण
नमज्जन तमो गुणा
पदद्वय प्रभाजाल
पदद्वय प्रभाजाल
पराकृत
पराकृत
सरोरुहा
सरोरुहा
सिञ्जानमणि
सिञ्जानमणि
मञ्जीर
मञ्जीर
मण्डितश्रीपदाम्बुजा
मण्डितश्रीपदाम्बुजा
मरालीमन्दगमना
मराली मन्दगमना
महालावण्य
महालावण्य
शेवधिः
सेवधिः
धन्यवादाः भगिनी. So what you can do is you can listen to the recordings and practice this particular part.
Sure,
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
धन्यवादाः.
Up to see.
कमल नारायण महोदय.
Back up soon.
महोदय
Up to see.
हाँ भगिनी नमस्ते भगिनी
Namaste. Would you like to chant second verse?
यस् उद्यद्भानुसहस्राभा चतुर्बाहुसमन्विता रागस्वरूपपाषाढ्या क्रोधाकाराङ्कुशोज्ज्वला
Tamam. Ritu Saha. Ritu Saha. हाँ, third verse please.
मनोरूपेक्षुको दण्डा पञ्चतन्मात्रसायका निजारुणप्रभापूरमज्जद्ब्रह्माण्डमण्डला
Tamam. धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद
राधिका जे. Radhika Bhagini, I have unmuted you. See, we
Hello.
will, namaste. One second, Bhagini. We will be focusing on the initial set of shlok verses. The reason being, these are the difficult set of verses in Lalita Sahasranama, the first 40. So if you are able to chant this, I'm sure you will be able to chant the other the other ones, that is after 40 verses. So that is why I'm calling out the names to chant the first 40 verses. But however, if anyone has a specific shloka to be chanted, beyond that also we can do that. That is one. And second thing is, in this practice session, the meanings cannot be discussed. The reason being, in this 1 hour session, we will focus on the practice. However, if you have any difficulty in understanding the meaning or any query with respect to the meaning, I request you to kindly put a mail to me, sandhya.vyoma@gmail.com. I will definitely respond to you. So any meaning related queries, doubts, I humbly request you to put a mail. We will not take it up in this class given the constraint of the time. Okay, Radhika Bhagini, can you chant the fourth verse?
Yes, Bhagini. चम्पकाशोकपुन्नागसौगन्धिकलसत्कचा कुरुविन्दमणिश्रेणीकनत्कोटीरमण्डिता.
Tamam, धन्यवादाः.
धन्यवाद.
राजेन्द्र गवाले महोदय.
राम राम राम।
राम राम राम।
अष्टमी चंद्र विभ्राजा जलदक फलशोभिता मुख चंद्र कलंक भगृ मृगनाभिविशेषका।
Mahodaya, the first line, Ashtami Chandra Vibhraja Dalika Sthala Shobhita.
Yes, I can repeat it.
Yes.
अष्टमी चंद्र विभ्राजा दलिक स्थल शोभिता.
So you should not prolong the letter ja there. It's not Vibhraja. No. Ashtami
Okay,
Chandra Vibhraja Dalika Sthala Shobhita.
okay.
Shall
अष्टमी चंद्र विभ्राज दल स्थल सॉरी
Dalika Sthala
दलिक स्थल शोभिता.
मुखचन्द्रकलङ्काभमृगनाभिविशेषका.
मुख चंद्र कलंकाभ मृगनाभिविशेषका.
Uttamam. Just remember that you should not take the pause in between in these verses.
ओके ओके
धन्यवादः
थैंक यू.
महोदय.
ओहो.
आशालता भगिनी.
हाँ भगिनि. वदनस्मर माङ्गल्यगृहतोरणचिल्लिका वक्त्रलक्ष्मी परिवाह चलन्मीनाफलोचना.
उत्तमं. धन्यवादाः. Well chanted. Suma Gulapala भगिनी.
नमस्कारं भगिनी.
नमस्कारं.
नवचम्पकपुष्पाभनासा दण्डविराजिता ताराकान्तितिरस्कारिणासाभरणबासुर.
So again, this is for the benefit of everyone. Many a times what happens is it's very difficult for us to hold the breath and chant it in one breath, like one go. So the one, of course, it comes by practice, but still what you can do is you can increase the speed a little bit, not too much. Navachampaka pushpabhanasa dandavirajita. Take a pause. ताराकान्तितिरस्कारिणासाभरणभासुरा. So that we don't feel that strain in chanting the entire line. Otherwise, well chanted. Dhanyavadaha Suma Bhagini.
धन्यवादः भगिनी.
Ramachandran Mahodaya.
कदम्बं मञ्जरी क्लिप्तकर्णपूरमनोहरा ताटङ्कयुगलीभूततपोनोडुवमण्डला.
Second line once again, please. Slowly.
ताटङ्कयुगलीभूततपोनोडुपमण्डला.
Uttamam, but just try to chant together.
Okay.
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya.
धन्यवाद. Thank you.
Tanvi Bhagini.
राम राम राम.
Ram Ram Ram.
पद्मरागशिलादर्श परिभाविकपोलभूः नवविद्रुमबिम्बश्रीन्यक्तारीरदनच्छदा.
Nyakkariradanachada.
न्यक्तारीरदनच्छदा.
Re is not there. Nyakkariradanachada.
न्यक्तारीरदनच्छदा.
So this re is there, no Bhagini. This should be even more shorter. I will chant once, okay? Nava vidruma bimba shri nyakkariradanachada.
नवविद्रुमबिम्बश्रीन्यक्तारीरदनच्छदा. I'm sorry, ma'am. I realized.
Nyakkariradanachada.
न्यक्कारीरदनच्छदा.
Try to focus there. It has to be even more shorter, okay?
Yes, ma'am. धन्यवाद.
धन्यवादः. Shravanti Mutyam Bhagini.
नमस्ते।
Namaste.
शुद्धविद्याङ्कुराकार द्विजपङ्क्तिद्वयोज्ज्वला कर्पूरवीटिकामोदसमाकर्षि दिगन्तरा.
Second line was well chanted. The first line, Shuddha Vidyankuraakara Dvija Pankti Dvayojjvala. So same thing. This Ra should not be prolonged. It is a Hrasva. So you should take the next letter immediately after the Ra. You should not say Ra, it's not there. Shuddha Vidyankuraakara Dvija Pankti Dvayojjvala. Would you like to try?
Yes. शुद्धविद्याङ्कुराकार द्विजपङ्क्तिद्वयोज्ज्वला.
उत्तमं धन्यवादाः श्रीविद्या भगिनी
निजसल्लापमाधुर्य विनिर्भत्सितकच्छपि मन्दस्मितप्रभापूरमज्जत्कामेशमानसा.
उत्तमं धन्यवादाः आशालता I think I called out. श्रेयस एन श्रेयस महोदय
अनाकलित सादृश्य चिबुक श्री विराजिता कामेशबद्ध मांगल्य सूत्र शोभित कंधरा.
वेल चैंटेड धन्यवादाः महोदय विद्या सरस्वती
कनकांगद केयूर कमनीय भुजान्विता रत्नग्रैवेय चिंता कलोल मुक्ता फलान्विता.
First line was very correct. I request others to be on mute. So the first line was well chanted, Bhagini. Second line, please notice this ga, no, Ratnagraiveya, ga is there, no, that is going to get doubled. Ratnagraiveya, it will be. So I'll chant the entire line. Just follow after me. Ratnagraiveya chinta kalola mukta phalanvita. Would you like to try?
रत्नग्रैवेय चिंता कलोल मुक्ता फलान्विता.
Mukta phalanvita.
मुक्ता फलान्विता.
Ha. So here, Ratnagraiveya, Ratnagraiveya.
रत्नग्रैवेय.
So the thing is, even that Ratna has to be pronounced completely, and then ga we will add a slight g and then take Graiveya. So Ratnagraiveya.
रत्नग्रैवेय चिंता कलोल मुक्ता फलान्विता.
Mukta dirgha. Mukta phalanvita.
मुक्ता फलान्विता.
धन्यवादाः
धन्यवादाः. हरे कृष्ण.
Hare Krishna. Did I call out Mugdha Bhagini? I'm not sure. Mugdha Bhagini.
कामेश्वर प्रेम रत्नमणि प्रतिपणस्तनी नाभ्यालवाली रोमाली लता फलत कुचद्वयी.
Mugdha Bhagini. So again, this is not just for Mugdha Bhagini. What happens sometimes is because of our other language influence. It can be the way we speak converse in Hindi, or it sometimes can be even the regional languages that, like Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, etc. So the pronunciation in Sanskritam is slightly different. It is like, for example, Kameshwara Prema Ratnamani Pratipanasthani Nabhyalavala Romali Lata Phalakuchadvayi. So wherever the akshara, like for example, la is a purna akshara. So it has to be pronounced completely. So if there is a Dirgha, the Dirgha has to come. So we cannot say Nabhyal. It is not correct because sometimes due to our Hindi language influence, that thing will come up for many of us. So just observe those things. Mugdha Bhagini, I'll chant once, you can repeat after me. Kameshwara Prema Ratnamani Pratipanastani. Once again, I will chant. Kameshwara Prema Ratnamani Pratipanastani.
कामेश्वर प्रेम रत्न मणि प्रतिपणस्तनी
Mani Pratipanastani. Mani, pa is getting doubled. Mani
Yeah.
Pratipanastani.
मणि प्रतिपणस्तनी
नाभ्यालवालरोमालिलताफलकुचद्वयी.
नाभ्याल वाल रोमाली लता फल
Hold on. So here you observe, it's not nabhyal, it is nabhyalavala
I'm not getting your point then.
Okay, so this la is there, no? The third letter in second line. It is not nabhyal l. It is not l. It is nabhyala la. Okay, nabhyalavala.
Okay,
Can you
I
try?
have to prolong the lus little more.
bit. Yes.
Okay. Nabhyal
Nabhyala vala
val
romali
romali
lata phala.
lata phal
Now it was correct. Kuchadvayi.
kuchadvai.
Good. So the way you pronounced la in phala, the same way it has to come in nabhyala and vala. Okay?
Okay, I'll try. Definitely,
Yes.
I'll try.
Okay. Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini.
Thank you.
Natarajan Sheshadri Mahodaya, 15th verse. Okay. 15th verse, please.
Yeah.
Lakshya Romalata.
लक्ष्यरोमलतादारतासमुन्नेयमध्यमा स्तनभारतलन्मध्यपट्टबन्धवलित्रया.
I will chant once, Mahodaya. You can repeat after me. Like I was telling earlier, sometimes due to regional languages, we will chant certain letters differently. But in Sanskritam, whatever we see, that is how we chant. Lakshya Romalata Dharata
लक्ष्यरोमलतादारता
Samunneya Madhyama
समुन्नेयमध्यमा
Stanabhara
स्तनभार
Dalanmadhya
दलन्मध्य
Pattabandhavalitraya.
पट्टबन्धवलित्रया.
धन्यवादाः. KV Uma Bhagini.
अरुणारुण कौसुम्भवस्त्रभास्वत्कटीतटी रत्नकिङ्किणिकारम्यरशनाधामभूषिता.
उत्तमम्. धन्यवादाः.
Thank you.
निवेदिता पुरोहित. नमस्कारम्.
कामेशज्ञातसौभाग्यमार्दवोरुद्वयान्विता माणिक्यमुकुटाकारजानुद्वयविराजिता.
उत्तमम्. धन्यवादाः भगिनि. रामसामी महोदय, 18th verse.
इन्द्रगोपपरिक्षिप्तस्मरतूणा भजङ्गिका गूढगुल्
कूर्मवृष्टजयिष्णुप्रभदान्विता
Well chanted. Just small observation. Smaratuna Will you repeat?
इन्द्रगोपपरिक्षिप्तस्मरतूणाभजङ्गिका
Bhajangika.
भजङ्गिका
Good. Second line, can you chant again, please?
गूढगुल्फा गूर्मभृष्टजयिष्णुप्रभदान्विता
So here, that
प्रभदान्विता
Prapadanvita, Prapa,
Yes.
okay? And
Yeah.
Gudha, Dha is Mahaprana. Gudha Gulpa Kurma Prishta Jayishnu Prapadanvita. So we have three Mahapranaksharas in this line. One is Dha, then we have Pa, then we have in Prishtha, we have Tha. Tha is a Mahapranakshara. Can you chant again?
Yes. गूढकुल्पा गूर्मवृष्टजयिष्णुप्रभदान्विता
Prapadanvita.
प्रभदान्विता
Dhanyavadaha. It's both are Prapadanvita.
प्रभदान्विता
Dhanyavadaha.
गूढगुल्पा गूर्मवृष्टजयिष्णुप्रभदान्विता
So, thank you, Mahodaya. Just that pa you need to focus a little bit.
Yes. Okay.
Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you. Dhanyavadaha.
KV Sangeeta Bhagini, 19th verse.
Namaste, ma'am. Namaste, madam. Nakaditi sanchanna namajjanatamo guna padadvaya prabhajala parakruta sarohuruha.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Bhuvaneshwari Bhagini, 20th verse, can you chant, please?
Namaste.
Sinjanamani.
Sinjanamani manjira mandida Sripadambuja Marali mandagamana mahalavanya shevadihi.
Tamam. Just a small observation. This shevadhihi, dha is little more stress you can put. Then in the first line, can you chant once again, please? Sinjanamani.
Okay. Sinjanamani manjira mandida Sripadambuja.
Okay.
Marali.
So, that's okay, Bhagini. So, in this first line, this Shri, Mandita Shri, what you are telling, I don't know if it's because of the network or what. I'm hearing a slight sir over there. You're chanting actually very well, only because of these two things, I felt it can be corrected easily. So, Mandita Shri, Mandita Ta and Shri. Sinjanamani Manjira Mandita Shri Padambuja. Okay?
Can I try?
Yes.
Okay. Sinjanamani manjira mandida Sripadambuja.
Okay, very good. Just this ta has to be heard perfectly like ta. Ta.
Okay.
Okay.
Mandita Sripadambuja. Okay. Dhanyavada bhai.
Dhanyavadaha. Sudha Krishnan Bhagini. Verse number 21.
Namo Nama. सर्वारुणानवद्यांगी सर्वाभरणभूषिता शिवकामेश्वराङ्गस्था शिवा स्वाधीनवल्लभा.
I'll chant once. Sarvarunanavadyangi.
सर्वारुणानवद्यांगी
सर्वाभरणभूषिता
सर्वाभरणभूषिता
शिवकामेश्वराङ्कस्था
शिवकामेश्वराङ्गस्था
शिवकामेश्वराङ्कस्था
शिवकामेश्वराङ्कस्था
शिवा स्वाधीनवल्लभा
शिवा स्वाधीनवल्लभा.
उत्तमं धन्यवादः
I
अनामेरी
want to know one thing,
हाँ
that Sarvaruna Navadyangi. Here
yes
somebody was saying Sarvaruna Anavadyangi.
correct. So here there are two names. Sarvaruna means the entire body is red in color, and Anavadyangi. If we split this into two, this becomes two names of Devi, Sarvaruna and Anavadyangi. But because of the chandas and because of the way this is composed, we chant this first padam together. Sarvaruna Navadyangi. But when you do the archanam, like Shrimatre Namaha, so when you do like that, this will become Sarvarunaye Namaha, Anavadyangyai Namaha. So that is how it
Oh,
is. Okay? Yeah.
thank you. Thank you.
Dhanyavadaha. Anna Maria Bhagini, can you chant the 22nd verse, please?
सुमेरु मध्य शृंगस्था श्रीमन्नगरनायिका चिन्तामणिगृहान्तस्था पञ्चब्रह्मासनस्थिता.
The Mahapranas were very well chanted. Just couple of small things. Can you chant this first Sumeru Madhya Shungastha again?
Yeah. सुमेरु मध्य शृंगस्था श्रीमन्नगरनायिका
Continue.
चिन्तामणिगृहान्तस्था पञ्चब्रह्मासनस्थिता.
Okay. In Chintamani, so there are Mani, Na. That is like the way in the Tavarga. In alphabets, we have this Vargiya, the Vargiya Vanjana. That is like Ka, Kha, Ga, Ga, Nya, Cha, Cha, Ja, Ja. Like in that Tavarga is there. Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. The fifth letter of Tavarga. This is different from the fifth letter of Tavarga. Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. So if you look at this in Shriman Nagara, this is Na, the fifth letter of Ta group. But if you look at Chintamani, Mani, Na, it is Na. Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. So only that you have to work. Otherwise, very well chanted.
And you try again, please.
Yeah, please, yes.
Chintamanigrihantastha panchabbrahma.
Very good. Can you try again? Can you try again?
Chintamanigrihantastha panchabbrahmasanasthita.
Uttamam. You can still try to make it sound even more like Na.
Yeah, thank you.
Very, but well chanted. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha.
Next person, Annapurna Bhagini. Annapurna Bhagini.
Ram Ram Bhagini.
Ram Ram Ram. Can you please chant this verse? Mahapadmat.
महापद्माटवी संस्था कदम्बवनवासिनी सुधासागरमध्यस्था कामाक्षी कामदायिनी.
Second line once again.
सुधासागरमध्यस्था कामाक्षी कामदायिनी.
Kamakshi Kamadayini.
Okay. सुधासागरमध्यस्था कामाक्षी कामदायिनी.
Very good. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
Praveena Yadavalli. Praveena Yadavalli.
नमस्ते भगिनी.
Namaste.
देवर्षिगणसङ्घातस्तूयमानात्मवैभवा भण्डासुरवधोद्युक्तशक्तिसेनासमन्विता.
Okay, in the second line, in the Bandhasura Vadhodyukta, Vadho, Dha is Mahaprana, but the next letter is Alpa Prana, Da with Ya and Ukara. So, Bandhasura Vadhodyukta. So, Dha is Mahaprana, in Dyu, the Da is Alpa Prana. Can you try again?
भण्डासुरवधोद्युक्तशक्तिसेनासमन्विता.
Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you, Bhagini.
Lakshmi Kumar.
राम राम भगिनी.
Ram Ram Ram.
संपत्करी समारूढ़ सिंधुर व्रज सेविता अश्वारूढ़ाधिष्ठिताश्वकोटिकोटिभिरावृता.
उत्तमं. धन्यवादाः.
धन्यवादः भगिनी.
Aparna Sharma.
चक्रराजरथारूढ सर्वायुध परिष्कृता गेयचक्ररथारूढ मन्त्रिणी परिसेविता.
धन्यवादाः. Sita Lakshmi Bhagini.
Namaste, madam.
Namaste.
27th verse, right?
Yes.
किरिचक्ररथारूढदण्डनाथा पुरस्कृता ज्वालामालिनिकाक्षिप्तबह्नि प्राकारमध्यका.
I'll chant once. Would you like to repeat after me?
Yes, ma'am.
किरिचक्ररथारूढदण्डनाथा पुरस्कृता
किरिचक्ररथारूढदण्डनाथा पुरस्कृता
ज्वालामालिनिकाक्षिप्तबह्नि प्राकारमध्यगा.
ज्वालामालिनिकाक्षिप्तबह्नि प्राकारमध्यका.
Vanhi pra ip. So the pa here is getting dvitvam, doubled. Vanhi prakaramadhyaga.
Vanhi prakaramadhyaga.
Very good. That's correct.
Thank you.
Rita Uday Kumar Bhagini.
Ma'am, I have another doubt. I have posted in question answer
Oh,
session.
yeah. In the 15th verse, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me go there. So what was the doubt?
So it is it
Huh.
Darada Samunneya Madhyama or Dara Tasamunneya Madhyama?
Lakshyaromalata dharata samunneya madhyama.
So we have to pronounce it as, I couldn't get that. So it is
Okay.
Lakshyaromalata Taratasa
Tha, tha. Lata, tha. Lata, then dha, and again rata. So, Lakshyaromalata dharata samunneya madhyama.
Okay. Can I chant, ma'am?
Yeah.
Lakshyaromalatha dharata
Hold on. 1 second. This lata is there, no? Raksharomalata. Ta is alpa prana here. Next in dharata, dha is mahaprana. Again after dharata, this dharata, ta is alpa prana. Okay? So we have alpa prana ta, mahaprana dha, and then we have alpa prana ta. Lakshyaromalata dharata.
Lakshyaromalata dharata.
Correct.
So the ta in ta, I couldn't get this, ma'am. I'll ask again. So the tha ra, another ta will go to samunneya. Am I correct, ma'am?
Ha, so Lakshyaromalata dharata samunneya madhyama. So this is one name. We are not going to actually split this. If you ask me to split this, I would split this as Lakshyaromalata dharata samunneya madhyama. Okay, but we will not split and chant like that. We are going to chant this as a one name only. So that is what is the explanation. So it actually means Lakshyaromalata dharata samunneya madhyama. So if you split as meaningful words, this is how you can split. But this is one name.
Okay. Can I chant only once, ma'am? That one verse?
Sure. Go ahead.
Can you please? Yeah, you.
Okay. Lakshyaromalata dharata samunneya madhyama.
Okay, got it, ma'am. Thank you so much.
So it's one go, this one.
Okay, ma'am.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha.
Arati Ajay Telang Bhagini.
Yes. Ram Ram Bhagini.
Ram.
Yeah, same.
Next,
Laksha.
please go
Yeah.
to 28th verse. Sorry, yeah, 28th verse.
Yeah. भण्ड सैन्यवधोद्युक्त शक्ति विक्रमहर्षिता नित्या पराक्रमाटोपनिरीक्षण सुमुत्सुका
Niरीक्षण samutsuka. Samutsuka.
निरीक्षण समुत्सुका.
Yeah. I think
Again, once again.
No, I think we are reaching. There is another class at 7 on the same Zoom link. So we may have to close by that time. So what I will do is I will quickly just look at specific verses that people want to hear again, and I will try to chant those. 40th verse, 62, 80, 99, 101. Okay, there's a request for 40th verse. I will chant because I want to spend the last few minutes in giving some inputs for the assessment. Kshamyatam for those who have I'm not been able to call out their names.
Thank you, ma'am.
I humbly apologize. But however, please you can send me your doubt or send me whatever questions you have regarding the verses. So I will chant this verse now. Tadillata samaruchihi shatchakropari samsthita. This one we can either take a pause after richihi and then chant, or we can chant together. Tadillata samaruchi shatchakropari samsthita mahasakti kundalini bisatantu taniyasi. Then, which was the other verse? 62. Dhyanadhyatridhyeya rupa dharma dharma vivarjita vishwarupa jagarini swapanti taijasatmika. Verse. I'm just addressing the specific verse request. Chitistatpadalakshyartha chidekarasarupini swatmanandala vibhuta brahmadhyananda santatihi. 99. Payasanna priyatvakstha Pashuloka bhayankari amritadi mahashakti samvrita dakinishwari. Kalaratriadi shaktyaughavrita snigdhaudana priya Mahavirendra Varada Rakinyamba Swarupini. There is a question that I'm not booked for chanting assessment. Can I book? Yes, please send a mail out to the help desk of sanskritfromhome.com. In case you have not registered and still want to register, they will try to accommodate you. So before we close, I just wanted to spend a few minutes on the assessment, the structure of the assessment. The assessment which is upcoming is for either Kanthapata or that is memorization, or looking at the script and chanting, which is Parayanam. So if it is Parayanam or if it is Kanthapata, for both, the primary things that the assessor would see is whether you are chanting the Mahapranaksharas clearly, whether you are chanting the Hasva and Dirgha, that is short vowel and long vowel, like I was pointing out. Where there is a Dirgha, you have to prolong it, but not too much. At the same time, where there is a short vowel, for example, Kala is there in this particular verse 101. We should not prolong it unnecessarily. Kalara, it's not correct. Kalaratriadi. the only appropriate pronunciation, like not very long, not very short, should be observed. Then the third most important thing is the Sampurna Akshara. So sometimes what happens is when we are at the end of the line, for instance, Kala Ratyadi Shaktyaughavrita Snigdhaudana Priya. When we come to this end, we somehow swallow the last letter. This is usual mistakes that many of us do. So it has to be chanted completely. Wherever there is, like if it is a Dirgha or a Purnakshara, like Snigdhau is one letter, right? In Snigdhau, there is Ga, Dha and a Au. So this entire compound letter, that Sampurna Akshara has to be chanted. That Samyukta Akshara, which we call it as, has to be chanted correctly. Snigdhau. So all the letters should be heard appropriately and taking a pause at the right time. So for example, I cannot split this Kala Ratyadi Shaktyaughavrita. No, that's not correct. You have to take the pause appropriately only, where you are supposed to take the pause. That is one more important thing. Then, of course, we will look at things like where there is like Damshtrojwalaksha. So there is a ja and ja, right? And there is also a Dvitvam applying to this. So Damshtrojwalaksha. So that those things need to be observed. Again, Anuswara Aksharas. When I say Anuswara, Rudhira Samsthita. There is a Anuswara and we have Samsthita. But whereas if you remember the first Dhyana Shloka, where we said that Sindura Runa Vigrahan Trinayanam. So Vigraham, there is a Anuswara and then we have Ta. So when we are chanting together, that Anuswara will take the form of Na because the next letter is the Vyanjana, Trinayanam, the fifth letter of Tavarga. So Sindura Runa Vigrahan Trinayanam. However, if you are taking a pause after Vigraha, it is okay to chant the Anuswara as it is, like Sindura Runa Vigraham Trinayanam, which is also correct. Whatever you follow it uniformly everywhere. That is one thing. And the other things, the other most important thing is wherever there is Visarga, like Aha, Shebatihi. So that also has to be chanted correctly. So these are some of the basic things that we would be looking at. And of course, the tune and the bhava with which we chant. So what I request you to do is, please go with the uniform pace and not very fast, not very slow. If you go very slow, you will find it difficult in some of the verses. And if you go very fast also, we tend to do mistakes. So please go at a pace which is comfortable for you. Typically what we follow in the class, and also the same tune as far as possible. However, if you're following other different tune, it is okay. But try to follow as far as possible the tune which we have learnt in the class. And above everything else, please do this as a Samarpanam to Devi. Don't worry about whether we're going to pass, are we going to get good marks, less marks, nothing. Please do it as a Samarpanam to Devi. That is all I wanted to share with you all in this practice session. So please practice as much as possible for the next few days till the time we have this assessment. I'll just quickly see. Okay, I'll quickly try to address some of the questions which is possible. Should we practice Nyasa and Dhyana Shlokas also? Please practice Nyasa and Dhyana Shloka also. Though you may not be asked to chant Nyasa, it's very uncommon. But still, if in case any judge wants you to chant Nyasa, they may ask. But it might not be asked for everyone. And the assessment, it will not be for the entire Sahasranama. It will be like maybe for 7 to 8 minutes or maximum of 10 minutes. So you will be asked to chant specific parts. Like they might ask you to chant from a specific verse, or they will prompt you, like, can you chant from Kushala Komalakara? So you will start from Kushala Komalakara and continue from there. So they might stop you in between, ask you from somewhere else. Typically, they will ask you from the beginning of the verse only, not in between. So 76th verse, somebody is asking, so I'll quickly. So 76th verse, you feel it is tongue twisting because there's a lot of ksha akshara in this. Kshetra swarupa kshetreshi kshetra kshetrajna palini kshaya vriddhi vinirmukta kshetra pala samarchita. So lot of ksha. If you learn to chant ksha properly, this is going to be a very easy verse. So with this, I think we will stop the class here because the other class needs to start. So if you see the Patha Bheda elsewhere, please follow the script given by sanskritfromhome.in. This is being vetted by the linguists at Sanskrit from Home. There might be very small Patha Bheda. The differences between other texts and this might be because of either typing, or they could be like, for example, Barbaralaka and Bandhuralaka and things like that. But otherwise, most of it will be common. So please follow the text or script which is provided by Sanskrit from Home, so that all of us are following the same text. So with this, I will just do the Mangalam. For any doubts, please send out a mail to me. I will definitely answer all your questions. And Kshamyatam again for those whose name have not been able to call. Please feel to reach out to me separately. सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके देवी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते. Dhanyavadaha. Pranams to everyone. Thank you for joining the practice session. All the best. Please do it as a Samarpanam to Devi.